In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do calf raises, or otherwise known as heel raises, on a step. So all you need to do is find a step. I'm using an exercise step here, but you don't have to. You can use something around the house. What's really important is I've got my hand on this wall. And the reason for that is if I was to lose my balance, immediately I've taken the risk out of the exercise. Because for people that have maybe never done this before or are rehabbing post-injury, it's really important if you do lose your balance, straight away you've got something there if you need it. Now, for the easy version, what we would do is we'd have both feet pointing forwards. You'll notice here that only my forefoot and toes are on the step. The rest of my foot, the heel and the midfoot, is all off the step. What I'm going to do is place my body directly in line so I'm not leaning forwards or too far back. I've still got my hand on the wall here, and all I'm going to do is come up, squeezing through my calves, slowly back down. I want to make sure in this position that my toes are always on the step. So if I see my toes lifting up, that would mean I've gone too far. And then I'm going to come back up, big squeeze, and slowly down. Now for the harder variation, I would take my hand off of this and I would come up and back down. But even for this harder variation, if I felt like I was going to wobble and slip, I can straight away put my hand back on the wall. You would repeat that for your desired amounts of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do heel or calf raises on a step.